When you think of Ferrari, what comes to mind? Speed, power, and pure racing DNA. But one car stands above the rest, the Ferrari Enzo, a machine built to honor the legacy of Formula One and push the limits of what a road car can do. Today, let's take a closer look at this legendary hypercar. The Ferrari Enzo is one of the most iconic supercars ever made. Named after Ferrari's founder, Enzo Ferrari, this masterpiece was introduced in 2002 as a limited production hypercar, with only 99 units available to the public. An additional 400th car was built and gifted to Pope John Paul II, later auctioned for charity. At its heart is a 6.0-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing a mind-blowing 651 horsepower and 485 lb-ft of torque. This beast goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed of 218 mph. The Enzo was a true showcase of Ferrari's Formula One technology, featuring advanced aerodynamics, carbon fiber bodywork, and an F1-style automated manual gearbox. One of the biggest highlights? No traction control. Ferrari wanted drivers to experience raw power, making it a true driver's car. Designed by Ken Okoyama of Pininfarina, the Enzo's aggressive look wasn't just for style, it was built for function. Inspired by Formula One, its sharp nose, massive air intakes, and active aerodynamics provided maximum downforce and stability. Unlike most Ferraris, the Enzo didn't have a traditional rear wing. Its entire body was engineered to generate downforce at high speeds. Inside, the Enzo featured a minimalist racing cockpit, with lightweight carbon fiber seats and an F1-style steering wheel, keeping the driver fully connected to the road. The Enzo wasn't just a Ferrari, it was a game changer. It inspired future Ferrari models, including the LaFerrari, which carried forward its hybrid evolution. Even today, the Enzo remains a dream car for enthusiasts and collectors, with prices soaring past $3 million auctions. The Ferrari Enzo is more than just a car. It's a symbol of performance, passion, and Ferrari's relentless pursuit of excellence. What do you think of this legendary machine? Would you take it for a spin if given the chance? Let me know in the comments. And if you love supercars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, keep chasing speed.